Hi boys and girls, so for today you have a lot of practice. Same skill that we've been learning, so there's no new skill here, it's just the same skill and you have more practice with it. The two different ways that they showed us. Okay, so how they showed us before, how to break it up by place value, by our tens and our ones, and then how they showed us how to draw it out. Okay, so we're going to practice some by ourselves. We're going to practice them together and then you're going to do these by yourselves. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we have 50 plus 16. Okay, so let's draw them out. So show me 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now you're going to add 16. Okay, so 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's our 16. Now we have to count how many tens you have all together. So all of this together, how many tens? Count them with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. That makes 6 tens. And we have 6 ones. So what number is that? Awesome, 66. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so now same thing. Same thing, same numbers. Well, 16 is the same, but it's going to be 54 now. Okay, so same thing. Let's draw it out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then our 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 16. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now we're going to do it a little bit different. So the only difference here is that we're going to look at our ones first and see if we can make any tens with our ones. Okay, so that's the only difference here. So let's look at our ones first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, we can make a 10. So let's cross these out and then just go ahead and make our 10. Okay, so go ahead and make our 10 over here. So now we just count all of our tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And that's our answer. Okay, so it's just the little difference of looking at the ones first. So let's think of a different number. Okay, so draw it out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 1, 2, 3. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's look at our ones first. We know we have 8 here, so 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we made another 10 there. So let's draw the other 10 here. We cross out the ones that we used, and then we left that one. So now let's count our tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And how many ones do we have left over? 1. So our answer is 71. Yeah? Okay, let's try a different number. 73 plus 27. Okay, so big numbers. Okay, let's draw it out. 73. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 1, 2, 3. Plus 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so let's look at our ones first. So 7, we know there's 7 here. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we can make a 10. So let's cross out our ones then, and then put our 10. Because we added it together. So now count all of your tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So your answer is 100. Okay, so hopefully that gives you a little bit of clarity. Okay, so let's look at the other one, how they were taking it apart without drawing pictures, but just writing it out. So let's see, they had 27 plus 64. So they broke it up by place value. Okay, so let's break these up by place value. So same thing, we have, right, so we have 2 10s here, plus 7 1s. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, plus 4, right? And they just added it all together, same idea. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, plus our ones, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Okay, so there's a 10 in here. So 80 plus 11. So to help us, we break it down a little bit more by place value again. So 80 plus 10 is 90. Plus the 1 equals 91. Yeah, so that's another way that they broke it apart. Another way that they could break it apart as well is just putting by the 20 and the 7, the 60 and the 4, and then just adding the 10s, which are 20 and 60 10s, and 7 1s, and 4 1s, and they just added it together. Yeah, so we have 11 1s and 80 10s, and then they would break it up apart again. So 80 plus 90, that's 90, plus the 1 equals 91. Yeah, so these are the same strategies that we've been doing. So I just reviewed it with you, so I went a little bit faster. But if you have any questions on these, please let me know. You only have like 5 problems on these worksheets. So if you are struggling, I would make sure that you do all of your IXL. Yeah, practice with your IXL. And if you have questions, please don't hesitate to go on Dojo and ask me. Okay, have fun.